Today I'm making a masculine Valentine soap for very dirty men. Oh, I do like a filthy, sweaty man who's been hard at work, hacking logs, who needs a good hosing down and lathering up. I'm just adding my oat milk to my melted oils and I'm going in for a quick blend. After adding my lye solution, I'm just going to blend until it's at emulsion. When I was coming up with ideas for this soap, the words spinning around my head were words like earthy, primal, sensuous, animal, feral. I was thinking about that side of a man that's instinctively protective, the side that, as a woman, makes you feel safe and cherished and makes a man feel not just needed but wanted. So that instinctive, ferocious protectiveness just was making me think of animals, and particularly a tiger. So the tiger led me to the jungle, and then I just thought, Tarzan. I know that there's no tigers in Africa, but, artistic license. I'm using 4 colours. I'm going to be using orange, red oxide, black oxide, and titanium dioxide. The fragrance that I'm using is Wood, Smoke and Leather by Craftivator. Now, this fragrance, it's very sophisticated, it's really sensuous, it's really masculine. It smells expensive, like a designer perfume. It appeals to women too. It's got notes of tobacco in there with leather, some jasmine, some cedarwood, musk, amber and some vetiver. With all those notions flying around my head, I wanted to do a design inspired by tiger stripes. As you can see, I'm pouring the soap batter in lines, making 2 or 3 passes, sweeping it up and down the mould and building up the stripes that way. Anyway, where was I? Yeah, it's a warm day and he's all hot and sticky from going at it hard, swinging his axe. Off comes the shirt, revealing a well-defined torso, rippling muscles, glistening with sweat. Stop that and concentrate. You're making a right mess. He spies the barrel of water, strides over. He's very hot. He plunges his head in, lifts it out and in slow motion shakes his head, spraying sparkling droplets of water everywhere. You're doing it again. Stop it. They can hear you, you know. Well, there was a long bit where I wasn't talking, so I needed to fill the gaps in. What I'm doing here with the top is I've got a very flexible and soft silicone pastry brush, and I'm just lightly tracing some of the leftover batter from the jugs over the top to try and get an appearance that looks like fur, like hair. However, it's not really working out, so I think I'll probably just plane that off. A quick spray with some isopropyl alcohol and it's off to bed for this loaf of soap, and join me in a moment or two and we'll go to the cut. See you later.